This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for July 24th, 2024. It's currently June 11th, 2024, 10:16 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $536.95. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 24th reading was created on May 23rd, 2024 at 11:34 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for SPY on the 24th, we have a period of sideways rotation and then a big move higher out of that period of sideways rotation. Behavior around the highest side, we have a decline that increases with momentum moving forward in time. However, it is nullified, so we'll have to look at that in more detail as we progress. There's a trade opportunity around the high end. Behavior around the lowest low, we have an important price level on a 1-month scale near the low. I'm advised to trade around a decline that ends with a fast sudden move higher. It'll be an unexpected move to the upside that ends that decline. Now, I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior, as well as timing the highs and lows and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we have a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline from multiple support levels, taking us into a big move higher out of that decline right around the open from the bottom of a range all the way to the top of a range, and then an almost equal decline again back down through multiple support levels in that first half hour, turning into volatility between roughly 10 and 11. That volatility ends with a fast sudden move higher. Okay, so it looks like that within that volatility between 10 and probably the volatility probably even continues into like 11:30ish. There's a low there, and we have a fast sudden move higher out of that low with like a notable reversal. Fast sudden move higher out of that low, rallying into a high between 12 and 1, probably closer to 1. So there's some back and forth behavior between 1 and 2. It's hard to say. We might see another low there. Hard to say, but there should be some sideways rotation and then a big move to the upside out of that. There between 1 and 2. Between 2 and 3, there's a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement, and then between 3 and the close, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, another resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. There's a period of volatility right around the close and a sharp drop that stands out in that period of volatility. In the post-market, we have more sideways rotation and a big move to the upside, taking place either in the post-market or overnight. Sneak preview for the following day, we have a rally increasing with momentum moving forward in time at some point in the day tomorrow. We'll look at that in more detail when we get into the reading for the 24th. That's SPY for July 24th, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.